The biggest question I've been getting from people is how exactly do I start a cold email lead gen agency? And the simple thing is you're going to want to just have your emails first. That is the most important thing to be able to do it, but you want to make sure you know how to do it the exact right way. So through this video, you're going to learn exactly how to have domains, how to set them up as emails, and make sure that they're safe for deliverability. So all of your emails are going into inboxes and not into spam. So here's the exact three-step method that I use that I really recommend for anyone that's looking to build their own lead gen agency. So the first thing you want to do is go here to Porkbun. Reason to be in Porkbun versus something like GoDaddy is just simply because it has the most reasonably priced domains. You're going to want to type in exactly what domain you're looking for and be able to find what you want. So, for example, the emails that I've built out for Senra is for senramarketingsale.com, senraemail.com. Anything for clients has been something similar. And then just building out your domains to make sure that they are just very similar to your company name with just a little bit of variation to have as many domains as possible. So you're just going to want to be able to go into here, put in the all the domains that you want to buy, and then just purchase it straight through here. So the first step is really just buying the domains. Next, what you can do is for setting up your Gmail inboxes, you can go build out your own Google Workspace, put in the DMARC, DKIM, all of the complicated factors that go into creating email inboxes, pay their monthly subscription of the email inboxes itself, or you could do what I do, which is simply going to a service like Scaled Mail. I don't have any referral from them. This is just something that I use that I really strongly recommend. They will go in and create your entire system for you. So I really recommend Scale Mail. It's not something I have a referral code or anything for, but something that I use all the time for being able to just simplify the process of email inboxes. They can get so complicated, you can make one mistake and then all of your deliverability goes to nothing and you just wasted a bunch of money on domains. That's exactly why I use Scaled Mail. So you can go here, see exactly what plan you want to use, see exactly what you want to send out. If you want to do SMTP, you want to do Google, Microsoft, and you can have them set up as many domains as you want. So the rule of thumb is you're going to get 2 inboxes per domain. So if you have 5 domains, you're going to be able to get 10 inboxes. You're going to send around 20 a day. So if you have 10 inboxes, you're going to send around 200 emails per day. So just keep that as a frame of reference for when you're buying your specific domains and exactly how many you want, as well as what plan you want to be able to get set up with. Something that I recommend for people in the beginning is if you can go to 35 domains, be able to have 70 inboxes, you can send 100, or you can send 1,400 emails a day. If you want to be able to just start at the beginning for low sending volume, you can send for 40 inboxes, you can send 800 emails a day. So you can do something like this where you just go and get started. You purchase the plan and then you put in your domains. It will all be sent to you. They have a full service team that's able to show you exactly what part of the process they're in. And then they'll simply just integrate it straight into your smart lead, where the domains will come in, something like this, where they'll have the warm up enabled and really just be able to build it for you, be able to put it all out there. Now, the most important thing is once Scaled Mail puts in these emails into your account, what you're going to want to do is wait 10 to 14 days before you start sending. The important part of this is because you have a new domain, because you have new email inboxes, you're going to get flagged right to spam if you just start sending emails the second they're uploaded into Smart Lead. So you can go here and see what the warm up has looked like. You can see the overview of how many warm-up emails were sent, over what days were they sent. So this new email inbox was for around 6 or 7 days that they've had it in for here. So what I'm going to want to do is basically wait 4 to 7 more days to be able to start sending out outbound from these emails. This is incredibly important to be patient on these because you're not going to end up in spam if you do this correctly. Now, of course, Scale Mail does all the setup for the inboxes. So the main thing that you have to do is buy the domains, then go into Scale Mail, create your order, and then they'll either integrate into your Slack or be able to talk to you through email and just be able to walk you through the process. The best part that I enjoy about them is any email inbox that does have low sender reputation for any reason, you could send it to them. They'll be able to just track it, see what the reason is for the low sender reputation, and they can even swap your inboxes and domains if they need to because one of the emails is not sending properly. So it's just a lot of ease in the tension of setting up inboxes and being able to start your lead gen agency. That's essentially how you're going to want to be able to create your inboxes and your domains to be able to be correctly used So you're ending up in inboxes and not just in spam. Now, if you want to learn how to send out specific campaigns that are going to be able to generate consistent leads, you could check out the other videos that I have that go into specific scripts that you can use to start generating pipeline today. You could see even here, for example, we built out a campaign. One of our first campaigns that we built, we have here for 5,000 people that we reached out to, and we were able to generate $4,000 worth of clients that we were able to sign in 3 weeks. If you want to learn how to be able to do this, check the link below where I can talk you through a step by step process and will even help you create your first campaign.